In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link cells in different Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to make a cell act as a clickable gateway to another Google Sheet, which is perfect for dashboards, indexes, or quickly jumping between related files. Just a quick note up front, this method creates a hyperlink to another sheet. It doesn't pull data across. If you simply need a clean, reliable way to navigate between files, this is exactly what you want. Start by heading to Google Sheets in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, sign in so you can access your files. On the home screen, open a new spreadsheet. You might see it labeled as Untitled Spreadsheet. Don't worry about the name for now, you can rename it later. What matters is getting a blank canvas where we can place the link. Click into the cell where you want the link to live. This could be a header cell, a navigation section, or any place that makes sense in your layout. A helpful tip here is to type your label first, like Open Sales Report, so the link text looks clean and readable instead of showing a long URL. With the cell selected, right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click does the same thing. You'll see a list of options related to formatting, inserting, and more. Choose Insert Link from the menu. This opens the link panel. You'll notice a search box and suggestions from your recent files. This is where you pick the Google Sheet you want to connect to the selected cell. If the sheet you need appears in the list, click it. If not, search for its title. You can also paste a link you already have. As a best practice, make sure you have access to that target file, and if you're sharing this spreadsheet with others, that their permissions allow them to open it too. Once you select the target sheet, the link is added to your cell. You'll see the text underlined, and hovering over it will show a preview card with the file name and an open link option. Click it to confirm it opens in a new tab. If you want to refine the display text, select the cell and edit the wording without breaking the link. To adjust or remove the link later, right-click the cell and choose Edit Link or Remove Link. That's it. You've created a clear, clickable link from one Google Sheet to another, making your spreadsheets easier to navigate and your workflows faster.